Hi goddesses. So a lot of y'all answered yes, that you wanted to know how I keep my stomach on flat all year round, pretty much. Like, doesn't matter what season, my body is fit and summer ready. So before I get into all the tips and everything, I have to ask you this question. Are you ready to commit to yourself for the next couple of months? Because if you don't see results in the next few weeks to 2 weeks, are you going to quit? So this is what I'm going to suggest if you need to equip yourself mentally, prepare yourself for this shift in your life. Download this app called Balance. Not sponsored. I came across this last year, and the beautiful thing about this app is you can download it and have it for free for a year. There's all these different types of meditations that have helped me mentally when it comes to stress, when it comes to getting my day ready, whatever the case, even nighttime meditations. I'm telling you, this app is amazing. Download it. Another thing that's really important as well is journaling. So as much as I said, like, meditation is a huge part of it, journaling was a huge part of my journey as well. 2020 is what helped me. I would release a lot of stress and things out of my body by journaling, okay? And also writing down what it is that I want to manifest and what I was releasing and all that and more. That's a huge part of the process. When you talk about your mental space, where are you mentally? When it comes to journaling, you need to be very intentional with what you write and what it is that you want to bring into fruition into your world. So yeah, now we're gonna move on. So this is the next thing that I have been doing. I've been doing this for the last few weeks now, and I'm so happy that I've added this into my routine. Like I just said about the mental clarity, I would definitely suggest getting lion's mane extract. The beautiful thing about this, I wanted to do a microdosing, but I was like, let me find something that is a little bit easier for me to actually purchase. So lion's mane helps with maintaining focus and memory, supporting immunity, and promoting nervous health. So if you are someone that's trying to get your mental clarity and, work on your mental space, I would definitely suggest getting this. This helped me tremendously with being productive, focusing, and getting to where it is that I want to be. So that's just going to be a little boost and push for you goddesses. So we're gonna get into the talk of diet real quick, but specifically we're gonna talk about drinks, first things that I did when I was 16, and it's still a huge part of my life, still to this day. So I remember reading this article when I was a kid. You do something for 30 days, specifically just drinking water and nothing else. After that 30 days, when you go to drink soda, sugary drinks, caffeine, whatever, you're not going to like it because your DNA shifts. I literally did that at 16, and it's still a part of my life till this day. But the thing of what I do to even boost my skin as well as just my digestive system, because like I said, I had a lot of stomach problems. I'm gonna show y'all what I use and what I put in my drinks as well as what I eat pretty much on a daily. One is a major key that I've been doing for the last year. I put liquid chlorophyll in my water. This is what I drink daily, okay? And I'm going to share all the benefits that come with liquid chlorophyll and putting that within your body. So it clears your skin. So if you have acne, it will clear your acne. It promotes weight loss, detoxifies your body, which was the reason to why I actually did this, and as well as it helps digestion and it prevents cancer. It helps with injuries and wound healing, and is a natural deodorizer, and it reduces inflammation. So I definitely recommend it. I have been using it for a year, and it has really helped my body clearly, as y'all can see. If you put fruits in your drink in the water, it helps prevent the taste of the chlorophyll. Link my Pinterest, because I have a board specifically where I found a whole bunch of different ways chlorophyll, how it can taste better if you're drinking chlorophyll and stuff like that. On top of that, just drinking water that has fruit in it is really good for you. So now we're getting into the topic of diet. So my biggest thing is I do not eat meat in the last, I want to say 8 years, and I feel like that actually reversed my skin and my body as well, because it's were not good for my body. That's why I bloated so much, because I truly believe that American meats, so many pesticides and preservatives in it, that it affected my body negatively. So I don't really eat meat. I just want to make this very clear. Me not eating meat wasn't a decision. It was literally a choice I had to make, because I literally would have to get carried out of restaurants because meats were so bad for my body. I'm not kidding. So this is how I transitioned out of eating meat, and I used to have to take medication when I would eat meat. What was easy for me is I didn't really eat red meats that much, so I completely took it out of the food group. I did not have it, but chicken was still within something that I still ate regularly. And I realized when I ate chicken, I still had a negative effect on my body. So I had to remove chicken and find a substitute, and that was fish. So fish was the only food that I didn't have any negative effects. So with that being said, I need y'all to pay attention to what foods give you energy and what foods make you feel good and what foods do not. And you need to completely take that out of your food. So now that we have talked about our mental space as well as what we put inside our body, now what are we gonna do outside of our bodies? I am pole goddess, if you do not know, and I am a pole dancer. That is my major fitness that I focus in. But I do realize that there are people that do not have access to a pole all the time. So I'm going to explain that my journey didn't start off with pole. I started off with yoga first before going to the pole studio. And I would just watch YouTube videos or finding things to just like stretch my body. That's where y'all need to start. You just need to start with movement. And once you get into that rhythm of movement, then it's gonna be a pretty easy transition to going into pole a little bit more. And the beautiful thing too, when it comes to movement in yoga, I have been doing something really, really lazy, which is bed stretches. Just stretching my body in the bed instead of like, I don't wanna get on the floor. But yeah, with that being said, that's pretty much everything.